there, little pals. I'm Whiskers, the coolest cat in Happy Forest. I love climbing trees and feeling the breeze through my fur. My favorite pastime is napping in the warm sunspots. I'm quite agile and enjoy a good game of chase. Despite being a cat, I'm also a kitchen expert. Fish dishes are my specialty.
Hey kids, Buddy here, the speedy dog on the block. I love exploring around, sniffing out every nook and cranny. My cozy den is my safe haven, filled with all my treasures. I thrive on challenges, especially races and climbing adventures. Treats are my weakness. I can't resist a good snack, especially bones.